focused on. Alright, good.
Man, that was a montage too, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. I'm going back up.
We can do the montage again.
Hey! That was so fucking hot.
Let's get across this thing. Ow! Hold him down. I did that last time and then I got shot. Fuck it, run back.
I hate going in that damn house though, bro.
Run back, fast. Wait, get up and give cover fire.
Sorry, man.
Dave, I didn't get hit.
I'm just gonna shoot.
Why is it so tight? Oh, let's go, bro.
Right behind you. Get up, come on.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Hey!
Yeah, got you. Oh, balls deep in there.
You got it, guys. Let's go.
You ready, babe?
Nah, give me. I'm getting a breather. So I get to
What
this.
if you ran track or something?
I got asthma.
I have one mag left. I did it, I have to use it.
Alright.
Excuse me, guys. Tyler? Oh. Ooh. I rushed that shit. Huh. Tyler. Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh no. Stand by walking. What was it, Max?
It was alright. The montage at the beginning that you didn't.
Dude, that shit was busting, bro. I wonder if I got it and my GoPro just died or something.
Good game, guys.
Easy.
Good game. For red team.
Dude, it was so funny because like you were about to